I think the big challenge we have in where I am is the secrecy. There is a lot of secrecy with FGM now. It's done under the carpet. I think the collaboration idea is that you find that in most areas, these survivors are not able to talk. But the ones they see others who are coming out, talking and engage together, they will be in a position to be able to talk in their own village so that we go as down as the grassroots or household level.
Nilikuja nikashukuliwa na vijana wawili, nikaambiwa kuna sherehe nyumbani. Kumbe nilikuwa nimeozwa mzee, ambapo nilifika nyumbani kama niko na security. Kufika hapo nyumbani, kesho yake ndio nitatairiwa. Ninakuanga tu nahudumiza, ninaenda hata mashule, ninasunguka kaunti mzima, narudi kwetu Samburu. Kwa kisha hiyo mila hakuna tena.
I couldn't see any way out. Remove your clothes, they said with cold eyes, and I stood confused as my heart turned to cries, protecting my private parts. All I'd ever known, but now they were gone, exposed. They were not private anymore, held down by women who once cared.
That's why we are here, to really strengthen our CSO's network so that we are able to work together towards elimination of female genital mutilation. We know in Kenya, the statistics have been dropping. Now we are at 15% for women and girls between the age of 15 to 49, and we are hoping to get to 0 by 2030.
Mimi nimekuwa nikitetea elimu ya msichana, teenage pregnancies, ending FGM, and ending also early marriages. And if you can see, ukeketaji ndio chanzo ya hizo maneno zote. Hivyo tukiweza kukomesha ukeketaji, tumekomesha teenage pregnancies na tumekomesha pia early marriages.
The issue of FGM kind of has metamorphosized. It's always changing. So let's have that resolve. Let's have those mantras. Let's for women to be able to resist. Once we get that, I think tutakuwa sawa.